So we'll take it a step further. We'll right click on the area. With the area selected, we'll go to the property settings, and with the feather stitch, we'll click on edit, and we're going to change the positive and negative range. The positive range I'm going to change up to 8 millimeters, and the negative range will change to 0. We'll press OK. Before I press OK, this is our 0 point, which is the green line right here. So it's not going to go inside this area at all if I have that negative, or if I have 0 on negative. So we'll press OK and OK again, and you can see that those stitches extend even further than they did before, but they don't go on the inside. We'll go back to the property settings, and I'm just going to move this off to the side so we can see it. We'll click the edit button next to use feather stitch, and instead we're going to take the negative range, make that 8, and the positive range we'll make a little bit smaller. We'll make that 2. So we'll hit OK, and I'll hit apply, and as we hit apply you can see that our stitches now go further inside. So negatively it's going 8 millimeters is going to be the most. Positive will be 2 millimeters, which will be the most. Let's click edit one more time. And with this, we're going to change this back to default. We're going to change it from 4 to 4. And this time we will enable a pattern. I can left click on enable pattern. And when I click on enable pattern, I have the ability to choose a pattern. So I'll choose number 16. We'll hit OK and apply. And now you can see I have a pattern for my feather stitch. So you can see we can do random feathering, we can do pattern feathering, and we can even customize it. We'll click the edit button one more time. We'll also enable feathering on side B and see what kind of effect we can get. We'll enable a pattern with a left click. Move that down. We're just going to find a different type of pattern. Let's do kind of more of a rounded pattern. We'll press OK and OK. So now we have more of a rounded pattern on the inside and we have more of a jagged on the outside. With our complex fill, let's right click to select. We can do the same thing. We'll go to our property settings. We'll click edit and we'll enable the feathering on side B. We're going to do the exact same that we did before, or with our satin stitch. We'll enable a pattern. We had number 16, and then we'll enable a pattern on side B, and I believe we had number 7. I'm not 100% sure, 7 or 5. So with that selected, we'll press OK and OK again, but we can see here that our patterns look much different. And that's because we are on a complex fill. Remember, side A, which is right here and right here, is going to have the one pattern, and side B, which is right here and right here, is going to have the other pattern. So again, it's all dependent on the stitch angles. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and look out for more.